Another tornado warning. Shit.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for western Gilmer County in north central Georgia, southern Murray County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Tilton or near Dalton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Another area of rotation and damaging winds was located near Landhurst in southern Murray County, also moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size hail.
Lord.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dalton, Chatsworth, Ellijay, East Ellijay, Carters, Tales Creek, Ramhurst, Mountain Town, Fort Mountain State Park, Tilton, North Georgia Speedway, and Round Top. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home
That's a big one.
or in
Thunder?
a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Doubleheader again. No, stop wearing out.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe northwestern Union County in north central
Oh, God,
Georgia,
close to home.
Brandon County in north central Georgia until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Epworth or near Ducktown, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Wow, I can't believe we got two doubleheaders in one
60
day.
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blue Ridge, Morganton, Temp, Margaret,
Wow, that's a big line of flash.
Chigdon, Notley Dam, Hurst, Ivy Log, Loving, Jones Creek, Epworth, Mineral Bluff, Colwell, Culberson, and Copperhill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central Georgia. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11